In this Blender 2.8 tutorial, we'll be looking at how to animate object material and the light. Okay, so this is an object. Let's create a floor object also. So Shift A. By the way, screen keys are turned on, so you can see the keys I'm pressing this side. So this is the object, and then I'm adding a new object. Either I can do it from here, or I can press the shortcut, which is Shift A. Now I'm scaling this. You see the plane here inside the cube. I'm pressing S key, S for scale, and then scaling it like really big. Then I select a cube object, change my tool to move tool. Previously I'm using the select mouse tool, and then I drag it up. Okay, and I position this on top of this. Okay, so let's move this floor a little. So click on the floor and move it like this. Okay, let's set our camera view by view, camera, active camera. Okay, click on the camera border, then click on the view from the properties. Make sure you're checking lock camera to view, then either with MMB or Shift MMB, position the cube the way you want. Then uncheck lock camera to view and click on the view again, or press N. Okay, so this is the look. If I render this with the shortcut F12, okay, let's close this. So let's add a material here. So I'm selecting the cube, and then in the material tab, in the properties editor, in the material tab, this is the material which is already applied, default material. This is principal shader. It's absolutely fine, no problem. I'll be just changing the color into some blue color. Okay, it's not visible in the viewport because we need to click this one to see that, which is viewport shading. Okay, we can see the light, we can see the material. Okay, now what I want to do is let's split the interface, and the top one will change into dope shape. Okay, to see the keyframes actually. So this is selected. I'll be jumping for maybe frame 40 or frame 20. Let's go for frame 20. We can do this way, or we can use this. Remember, we can type 20 here. But before that, let's go back to the first keyframe, because we want to set a keyframe from this blue color. Okay, how to set keyframe? I'm not going to use this right click method here because I'm not animating the object, I'm animating the material. So you see the base color slot or area, right click on top of this one and then go for insert keyframe. So we have a keyframe here indicated by this border, so you know there is a keyframe, or this is animatable, or animated rather. So this is the keyframe. Then let's go for frame 20, and I'll be changing the color to red. Okay, and then right click again on top of this one. Let's go for one more keyframe. So it's now blue to red, and then go for frame 40 to change the color again back to blue, and set a keyframe again. So if I play this animation, this is happening. See? Great. We'll be animating the light color as well. So we want to select light. Let's zoom out, that is scroll, and then select this light. And I'll be setting a keyframe from the light color, right clicking, insert keyframe, and the power, right clicking, insert keyframe. So both this color and power is now we can animate. In frame 20, now the advantage here is I already have keyframes for other properties. So I have two buttons here. This is for jump to keyframe, so I can precisely click on this and jump for the next keyframe. Or we can do this 23 as well. So let's go for 20 and change the color of the light to yellow and the strength to 10,000. Okay, and then definitely insert keyframe. Now let's go for frame 40. Change the light color back to white, no change, and this I want back to 1002. But what I want to use to something else. See, I already have keyframes. So if I select these two keyframes, which is light, and then use the duplicate shortcut, which is Shift D, I can actually position them here. You can use G key to move the keyframes. Okay, so if I play, let's see what's happening. See, nice. So we can duplicate keyframes, we can set new keyframes.